and welcome to another presentation as part of the Estonian Digital Pavilion at the Hannover Messe 2021. My name is Florian and I will be your host for this session. So today we will talk about innovating the electronics value chain to compete in a new world, and what a new world it is indeed after COVID-19. So we will have several company presentations, but before that we have some introductory remarks by the Minister for Entrepreneurship and Information Technology, Mr. Andres Sutt. And then we will head to the company presentations where you will get a lot of information from the different players in the Estonian IT sector. Let's take a look.
Tere! Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to join the virtual Hannover Messe from Estonia, and I want to congratulate you all for making it happen digitally. It is in times like this where we are forced to adapt, innovate, and take bold steps forward to survive and to thrive. In just one single year, we have taken a giant leap forward in the digitalization of business operations. COVID has pushed us into a new era, a more digital one. Whilst the old and trusted ways of doing business will return in some shape or form, it is also clear that digitalization has come here to stay and to grow. In order to remain competitive in this challenging period, it is crucial to integrate new concepts and smart solutions in our business models and manufacturing processes. It is precisely in this area where Estonia and our companies stand out as reliable and trustworthy partners. Our 25 years of experience in building a digital country and solving problems through smart solutions has made Estonia a leading digital nation in the world. You could even say that doing things digitally has become our DNA in Estonia, both in the public and private sectors. And we are more than excited to offer our expertise and knowledge to new partners. The new industrial revolution has already started. I am confident that you will find Estonian companies will be your trusted partners in this journey ahead. Let's do business together, and thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Arno, the Managing Director of the Estonian Electronics Industry Association, and I will give you the brief overview of our electronics industry. First of all, where is Estonia? Well, Estonia is really strategically located in the northern Europe on a major trade route between East and the West. And despite being a Nordic part of Europe, we are delivering globally, even to the United States, which is our biggest trading partner today. We have digital society here. We have public services all digitized. We have excellent infrastructure which has been tested by the foreign attacks. Our people are digitally literate. We have high level of education and technical literacy. Our students have been on the PISA top 3 for several years. Our electronics industry here is small but powerful. It's 23% of Estonian exports with just 12,000 people. And we're roughly doing 2 billion euros of turnover, most of it exported. Our key sectors are all professional, such as telecom, we're doing base stations for 5G, industrial electronics for windmills and all green electronics, automotive electronics, medical, railway, aerospace, defense, and other professional segments, also components. We're doing things where the quality matters, where promises must be kept, and delivery times are really the key. Over 250 companies, many of which are familiar to you, Ericsson, ABB, world giants. Over 25 EMS companies, engineering companies, and support functions. We are not the newcomers in electronics. We have over 100 years of history, started with telephone production in 1907, producing all sorts of electronics during Soviet times. We had complete industry overhaul in the 90s, and now we're world class. We used to do cell phones by the tens of millions. Today we are doing electronics for North Sea fishermen. We're doing electronics for robots, which are delivering pizza in US campuses. We're doing electronics for many other segments of the industry. Our association has over 70 members, and we cover all aspects of industry value chain. We can be a single point of contact for all customers, suppliers, partners, and investors. We know people in the government, we know people in other organizations, associations, we know people in the industry. So if you have any contacts, needs, if you have any questions, just contact us. So what can we offer here? We offer world-class EMS services in professional segments, over 25 companies providing manufacturing services. We have engineering and after-sales services here, so we can design your product, we can build it, and we can also service it after it's delivered to the customers. We're a perfect test site because we love new things, we can be fast and agile, we can install new things and we can try it for you. We are resilient. Even during the COVID crisis in the spring, we are working. Our factories never shut down, they worked through the summer and they're working now. So if you need any electronics to be built and developed for you, just come to Estonia. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, my name is Jaan. I'm the CEO of Krakul, and I'm here to tell you how Krakul can make the Internet of Things work for you by creating custom-made production monitoring systems. Our aim is to help you create a connected factory, increasing productivity by decreasing entropy. Krakul is the leading Estonian IoT and autonomous systems development company. We go from idea to product to manufacturing. We offer a full-scale product development service, creating elegant solutions with a specific focus on the end user. Our MO is to collaboratively solve technical challenges with our partners to help them achieve business success using IoT technologies. We work with global startups and international corporations, bringing their ideas to life wherever they are, no matter how ambitious their vision is. Over the years, we have developed a wide selection of IoT solutions. These include a space-tested vacuum chamber camera system, a wireless inventory and consumption tracker for the global beer market, a scientific buoy platform that works in the harshest conditions on Earth, a digital access system, and employee monitoring solution. We worked on a multitude of autonomous vehicle projects used both in the air and on the ground, providing transport and surveillance services to those who need it. We have the capability and the experience to meet all the challenges of modern manufacturing head-on. This is exemplified by the Evacon project. We were contacted by Evacon to help them build a modern, easily deployable production tracking solution. Their mission is to provide an OEE system that is easy to use and empowers people to do more with less. Working with Evacon, we got a new product out in only 4 months using the latest and greatest in mesh technology implemented by a result-oriented engineering team to be used in manufacturing facilities around the world. The solution allows you to embrace lean manufacturing by identifying waste in real time and visualizing it in a manner that is straightforward and easy to grasp. But why not take this a step further and monitor everything in your manufacturing process, not just the machines? The possibilities for these technologies are endless and have far-reaching applications. We don't just monitor things here on Earth. We will soon be doing it on the moon as well. Krakul has successfully built and shipped a stereo camera setup to control a robotic arm taking regolith samples from the moon's surface. The technology will launch in a few years as a part of NASA's Artemis project, thus becoming the first Estonian technology to be used on the moon. So, you bring the concept, we'll make it happen. Let's build your next IoT solution together. Thank you.
Hello, everybody.
Good morning. My name is Greg Grace. I'm Managing Director of Incap Electronics Estonia.
And I'm Otto Pukk. I'm the President and CEO of Incap Corporation.
Incap is a trusted partner and full-service provider in electronics manufacturing services. We manage your manufacturing while you grow your business. Our job is to ensure that you as our customer get the best possible support through the entire manufacturing value chain, from product and process design, to manufacturing of proto, to mass production, to financing, to sourcing, logistics, and so much more. We're a strategic production partner.
We have more than 50 years of experience in the field of electronics, 1,300 great co-workers around the world, and we have been listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange since 1997. We always try to see to that we have the latest technology available for our customers.
You can find our electronics, for example, in aviation, automotive, power and energy, medical, Industry 4.0, everywhere.
And we are so much more than just a manufacturing partner. Our services are very wide, everything from prototype through mass production up to different engineering services with process and product design in focus. Our cornerstones in the strategy is growth, profitability, and operational excellence. We operate our organization in a decentralized manner, which means that always the different stakeholders meet with the decision maker.
Our investments in operational excellence include high-quality technology and the know-how of our people. Our customers appreciate that Incap is efficient, is flexible, and agile, that Incap takes everything and lets the customer focus on design and growth. We go that extra mile. And if I talk about Incap going the extra mile, I'd like to tell you a story about Tavi. Tavi is our production manager. And we had a situation where the components were going to be late, would have shut down our production line and shut down our customers' supply chain. So Tavi got on a plane, flew to Korea on Friday, turned around and came back on Saturday. We produced in time on Sunday to get the delivery out on Monday for the customer. And that shows you a little bit about the extra mile that Incap goes for you.
So to recap, we have a unique business model with a decentralized structure. That means that our partners and stakeholders always meet the decision makers. We're more than just a subcontractor. We're fast and we have flexible solutions.
We have state-of-the-art production setup and we love what we do. Incap rocks.
Tepcomp Group is a leading Finnish industrial contract manufacturer that has been operating since 1985. As a contract manufacturer specialized in electronics, we have been focusing on LED electronics, healthcare technology, and industrial electronics. Based on more than 30 years of experience in demanding projects, we have become a pioneer in the field. In addition to numerous Finnish companies, our customer base includes many international companies from a wide range of industrial sectors. Tepcomp's production plant in Turku operates in a high-quality and professional manner through all stages required for production of modern electronics, from SMT placement to mechanical assembly and cable manufacturing. The plant is known for its flexible operation and modern manufacturing technology. Our clients are used to quick and responsive service by the Turku plant. The modern Tepcomp plant in Kuressaare, Estonia, offers comprehensive electronics contract manufacturing services in a cost-effective manner. The plant's SMT line also allows for production of long PCBs. Our advanced soldering robot ensures persistent quality. In addition, we provide mechanical assembly services. We offer small and medium-sized series in a cost-effective manner. We have a customer who has been with us since the birth of their company and even before that. It all started from a proto work for a small company. After a while we noticed that the person who has asked for the proto has founded his own company and remembered our good service and ability to react fast. That was a start of a success story where we have had pleasure to be part of. After the prototypes for the new company, we created the first sample batches for their sales and helped them to build up a first real production batch. Orders started coming in and we did everything according to their orders. Quite soon it was already noticed that this is not fast enough for increasing demand, so we helped them to build up dedicated stock at our premises. Soon we were already responsible for full supply chain from sourcing to manufacturing and the final user logistics. So, everything from the components to the final sales package in the hand of final user. This is really a story about a technology company we helped to grow from start to over €10 million company without having to worry about the scalability of production or renting a warehouse and hiring own logistics people. Do you want to be the next growth star? challenge our superheroes and see how you can achieve similar success.
Welcome to my brief introduction to test technologies which we are developing at Testonica. This year our company celebrates 15 years of uninterrupted innovation. Our products have a solid base in technology which we call embedded virtual instruments. It is an invention that we patented back in 2013. This technology has found its way into over 100 solutions installed in 23 countries around the world. Traditionally, electronic products are tested using external test equipment, which is costly and bulky. This equipment is driving the signals to electronic products as well as measuring the response. This way of testing is not anymore sufficient, as it is unable to catch certain defects and signal integrity issues right inside the product. For this purpose, we place our embedded instruments right inside the chips to be able to catch these hidden issues. Using embedded instruments, customers can quickly catch defects and faults in production, as well as identify issues with their prototypes and streamline lifetime support and maintenance in the field. In order to improve the user experience, we have developed and delivered the world's first instrument synthesis clouds. Using these clouds, customers can combine different embedded instruments together and compile a ready-to-use instrumentation core for their target product. Our technologies and products have a solid base in research and development. Our company has collaborated and coordinated a number of European research projects. We collaborate with universities as well as we give jobs for PhD students. We publish our results at conferences as well as we sponsor leading conferences in the field. Our equipment is also installed at big scientific facilities, like for instance, beta rate tester is installed at Large Hadron Collider at CERN. Our smart instruments are ready to fly to space, where they should help onboard computers to adapt to damage, to catch faults and defects, right on orbit, and help the electronics survive the pressure of radiation in space. We love solving problems, and we will be happy to help you sort out your everyday testing tasks as well as complicated quality issues and testing challenges. Thank you very much.